When I started working, I joined as a software developer, but now I'm doing data engineering work. So I was able to transfer some of my software stuff into data engineering. I did found a startup called Coding for Finance, where I was teaching people with no prior coding experience how to teach in Python. And I found it so fulfilling because it was people that, like I said, had no experience at all, and they were exposed to the world of like coding and programming. And once you learn how to code and program, I think it opens so many doors for you. So IT it's a massive space. There's so many niches that you can sort of venture into, but the foundational IT course itself, once you acquire those skills, it definitely opens lots of doors in the tech space for you. I am passionate about the edutech space, but my profession currently, I work as a data engineer. So data engineering basically involves the sourcing of data, the cleaning of it. Usually the end goal is what you see on a dashboard. You see these reports. You know, businesses need to make decisions about, okay, how are sales doing? How is the finance doing? What's happening in the business? And you usually put that like on a dashboard, putting it in a way such that it's clean and ready for analysts to use or for data scientists to use. Data engineering itself is not a module. If I was put in a course, so many different courses and so many different skills that you need to acquire. But I would bring it down to learning how to program, learning how to problem solve. But also you need to understand, or programming is a core skill to have to be able to go through the data engineering. I run a Python programming course, and that's where I did some teaching and lecturing. They say to grow in the tech space, you need to be very curious. You need to be open-minded and find something that you're interested in. Find a passion. Tech space is a massive space, and you need to find your niche. Are you interested in building websites? Are you interested in working with data? Are you interested in maybe machine learning? There's so many different spaces. So you have to be curious and you have to be teachable for sure. Do your research. Don't let the course or the set of the degree that you do sort of determine your path. The tech space is a very broad space. You can learn so many different skills, and skills are transferable. So don't feel like you are stuck. Be curious, open-minded, find what excites you, and just find people or speak to people who are in positions or places that maybe you are curious about in the tech space to learn more. Do internships. I think a lot of people sort of think, I didn't do this degree in IT, therefore I can't get into the tech space. But there are courses that you could take that could sort of teach you the foundational courses. For me, I always recommend learning how to code or learning how to program. Python, for example, is a starting point. It's a very simple language that you can learn, and that would sort of teach you the foundational coding principles, because the key here is just learning the coding principles or the foundation. And once you have that foundation, you can then apply it to every other sort of field or space. As long as you have this, you don't even need a laptop, you don't need a computer. As long as you have your phone, you have access to the internet, you can do research, find courses out there like YouTube. There's a lot of free content that you could use to learn a bit more about the tech space. Use the resources that you have currently. And as long as, like I said, you have a phone, you could start. Just start. Just start.